Hello, Caroline at Premier Fitness. Today we're going to be doing some floor stretches. So these are just something that you can do before bed or do them every day. Everything we're going to be doing is either sitting down on the mat or laying flat, either on your chest or on your back. So we're going to first start with just a butterfly stretch. We're going to hold each for about 15 to 20 seconds. As we hold this stretch, try to push your legs further and further down to the mat. All right, then we're going to stick one leg in and stretch down this way. Good, and we'll switch. All right, then we're going to, in the middle, so now we're going to put our feet together and reach up and try to touch our toes. I definitely can. All right, we're going to come down on our back, grab one of your knees, pull it to your chest. Then with that same leg, we're going to pull it to the side and pull up. And then we're going to extend our leg up. Same thing on the other side, we'll pull our leg back. And pull it to the side. Then straight up. Okay. We're going to come on our stomach and just stretch out through here. Then we're going to sit back on our heels for a child's pose. We're going to bring one leg forward and try to make your shin as parallel as you can. Switch legs, same thing. Then I always like to finish by doing butterfly again. Because you should feel looser now and be able to push your legs down a little further. All right. So this is a good stretching routine to do if you're sitting on the couch and you don't want to be sitting too long and you want to do something. Doing this in between, doing this before bed is also good. So again, stretching is just really important and we want you to implement it into your daily routine. So give this one a try. Thank you.